how to find and add products to your Shopify store. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'll show you how you can add products to your Shopify store. So let's get into it. Now there are a couple of ways to do this. You can either go ahead and manually add products one by one right here, but in this video I'll show you how you can sort it out. So first we need to add an app. Click on the apps underneath the app section, and here you have a bunch of different options, but go ahead and click on Shopify App Store, and the one that I recommend and that I think is one of the best ones to use to date is Deezer's. So if you scroll down, you can find the trending products over here, or you can just simply search for it over here, and it's going to be right here. This is one of the best applications to get when you're trying to sort out products or for dropshipping. So click on install and install the app. So install the application, and then you can register yourself over here. If you have an account, you can create an account, but I can just simply go ahead and click on register yourself. And then over here, just simply go ahead and click on confirm. It's telling me that I'm already logged in into the Deezer's account, but yeah, confirm. Then you can go ahead and select one of the plans. One of the things I like about Deezer's is that they mostly give you a bunch of different options in the free version as well, except for a few like non-specific ones, but you can still pretty much use it and get familiar with it, and then you can go ahead and upgrade to the pro ones if you want. Next, you need to go ahead and bind your AliExpress account or link it. So click over here and log in to your AliExpress account. So just sign in and you'll be logged in, and then you can go ahead and click on access now. And now you're all set. Now you can go ahead and find the products that you want. So I'll just close this up. So now it's good. Now we can go ahead and find products. So come over here onto the left hand side, click on find product. And here you have a couple of options. You could just import or just search for a product over here, or ship from USA, or select one of the products that are, well, popular right now over here. So it totally depends on you. So for example, if I come over here onto AliExpress, right, and I see a product that I like, let's say these three balankas, right? Sorry, not balankas, baklavas. And I like this product, right? So I'll open this up, and here I can just simply go ahead and copy the name or copy the list. Now it's not opening up in another tab, which is kind of weird, because then I would have just copied the link, but that's fine. I can just simply search for it over here. Let's go ahead and search for baklavas. So here we go. This looks good. I'll open it up in another tab. Then I can just copy the link, come back into Deezer's, and just simply go ahead and paste the link over here, search for it. You can even put the link over here in the optimizer as well. So put the link over here. It's going to search the upload. It's going to search the link, upload the pictures, analyze it, and give you the best results. It'll also give you some other ones that it thinks are similar, so that you can go ahead and compare the price and the suppliers, the number of sales, the reliability, and the price, everything. So this one is actually pretty cool. This one sells, let's say, $8 to $16, sold over 1,200 items, 4.8 reliability. One looks good. You could go with this one, or if you want a little bit cheaper, you could go with this one, but it's only almost 200. This one is also sells around 900. This one also sells around $9, 200 sales, which is pretty cool. So this is the one that we're going to go with. We're going to select on that one, or we can just simply select this button right here and add it to our list. We can click on got it and add it to our import list. I can select the language, click on confirm, then it's imported. Then we can go ahead and check it out. Come over here onto the left hand side, click on import list. You'll find the product right here. Next, you can just simply push it to your store, or you can go ahead and optimize it here by clicking on the button. So here you can just simply go ahead and optimize it, change some of the names, some of the images if you want, and you should be good to go. So now you can push all images. You can select price rules. Here you can add stuff to it, but I think this is okay. And then we can click on push to store. It's gonna push your product to your store and give you a confirmation in 1 sec. You can even select the store from here. So status is good. It's now published. We can come back to the store, click on the products and reload it, find it over here, go ahead, and there we go. We now have the product right here. So it's as simple as that. It's as easy. This is one of the best ways to do it. And next you can go ahead and edit all the details, the names, the description, the images, the ones you want to keep, the pricing and everything. So there you have it. That's how you do it. That's how you can add and find products for your Shopify store. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications, and I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.